Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin on Zondacrypto. This is the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin quoted to USDC. As usual in my situation, daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. Where are the levels? The first question is where is the extreme low on this chart, on this drop from 97,500 towards 60,000, right? So the low is 63,150, and that's the that's where the extreme low is, and we are going to mark the temporary technical support on this level. Now we have the bullish engulfing pattern here on the daily time frame chart, and this engulfing pattern was made into the extremely oversold conditions. Extremely haven't seen in months, years even this kind of a extremely oversold level like 17, right? So quite important movement to the downside. However, the movement back in form of the pullback, maybe some sort of the correction, couldn't break above 71,811, right? So this is temporary technical resistance. As you can see, it's been tested once and second time and nothing. We got some sort of the small consolidation here. However, even if there is a consolidation, doesn't mean that the movement to the upside is done, right? Because the movement to the upside might be continued here. So we know that we are bouncing from the extremely oversold conditions. Right now, obviously, the most important level here is roughly around $80,000. Right, so this is the technical resistance. This is the level that separates the nice pullback from correction, right? Because if we get there, right, let's say this is the low. In our scenario, if we get there, we are roughly around 28% up from the low. That's a significant movement, right? If we break above this high, this is 97,500. We are up almost 55%, right? That's the scenario, that's the percentages. For now, there is no indication except the extremely oversold conditions during the downside movement and the bullish engulfing pattern for the Bitcoin to stop moving down, right? To stop moving lower below the $63,000 level, right? So for now, this is being treated as a pullback only. Right, it's not even a correction, it's a pullback, hefty pullback, but the drop was significant, right? So hefty pullback after the significant drop. If we get towards 80,000, that would be still a correction, because we need to break above this technical resistance in order to say, all right, maybe some sort of the reversal pattern is being developed here. For now, one update doesn't actually change the situation here for the Bitcoin. It's still under the massive bearish pressure. So please keep an eye on the targets now. Keep an eye on the levels. It's very important to know what is going on right now. Our scenario says any breakout higher is a deeper correction. The pullback evolving into the correction, but this is not a reversal yet, and we cannot treat for sure 63,150 as a permanent low of the Bitcoin for this year, right? It all can change, but it all depends on the situation here, on what will the market participants will do with this nice pullback here. Whether this pullback will be continued towards the correction, or maybe it will be capped here 72,000, and then the decline deepens. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.